This game never promised you easy. It only promised you real. The mud, the rain, the final minute pain.